Welcome to this channel. And today we're diving into a topic that's close to all of our hearts: healthy living. We've all got different paths to wellness, but today I'm revealing my top 10 tips for a healthier life. These tips aren't just about diets and workouts, though those are important. They're also about lifestyle, habits, and mindset shifts that can make a huge difference in how we feel and how well we live. So grab a pen and paper, settle in, and let's get started. Number 1. Nutrition is the foundation. What we eat has an impact not only on our waistlines, but also on our energy levels, our mood, and even our longevity. A balanced diet full of vitamins and minerals is like giving your body the best fuel. It helps fight off chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. Think of your body as a high-performance car. You wouldn't put low-quality fuel in it, right? The same goes for us. By eating nutritious foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, we're giving our bodies the nourishment they need to run smoothly. Tip No. 2. Drink up for energy and clarity. Water isn't just essential for quenching thirst, it's also vital for keeping our bodies running smoothly. Staying hydrated aids digestion, flushes out toxins, and helps maintain healthy blood pressure and body temperature. In fact, even mild dehydration can zap your energy levels and make focusing a real struggle. Imagine trying to power through your workday with a dry mouth and a fuzzy head. Not a great idea, right? Keep a water bottle handy as a reminder to sip throughout the day. And if you want to jazz it up, try infusing it with natural flavors like lemon or cucumber. Number 3. Move your body. Boost your health. Exercise isn't just about achieving a certain body image. It's about feeling fantastic from the inside out. Regular physical activity like brisk walking, cycling, or strength training helps keep our hearts strong, our muscles toned, and our bones dense. It also releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Plus, exercise helps manage stress, improves sleep, and gives you a sense of accomplishment. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity. Exercise most days of the week. And remember, it's not about pushing yourself to the limit every day. It's about finding activities you enjoy and making them a part of your routine. Number 4. The power of a good night's sleep. Sleep isn't just about resting our bodies. It's about rejuvenating our minds, boosting our immune system, and repairing tissues. When we sleep, our brains process the day's events, store memories, and release essential chemicals. A good night's sleep leaves us feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to tackle the day. To make sleep a priority, establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Ensure your room is dark, quiet, and cool, and avoid screen time before bed. Number 5. Taming the stress monster. Stress is a part of life, but chronic stress can wreak havoc on both our mental and physical health. It can raise blood pressure, weaken our immune system, and leave us feeling drained and anxious. That's why it's crucial to find healthy ways to manage stress. Techniques like mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can help calm the nervous system and bring a sense of balance. Additionally, setting realistic expectations, taking breaks, and seeking support when needed are essential in our journey to stress resilience. Number 6. Say no to excess sugar and processed foods. Sugary drinks, processed snacks, and refined grains might be tasty and convenient, but they're nutritional vampires, sucking away essential vitamins and leaving us with empty calories. These foods can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic conditions. To stay on the path to good health, it's important to read food labels, cook more meals at home, and choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Remember, small changes like swapping sugary cereals for oatmeal or sugary snacks for fruits and vegetables can make a world of difference. Number 7. Nurture healthy relationships. Our relationships are more than just social lubricants. They're vital for our well-being. Nurturing connections with friends, family, and our community provides emotional support, reduces feelings of loneliness, and helps us build a strong sense of belonging. Positive relationships also encourage healthy behaviors and can buffer us against stress. So make an effort to stay in touch with loved ones, join clubs or groups to meet new people, and don't hesitate to seek help or companionship when you need it. Number 8. Kick harmful habits to the curb. Unhealthy habits like smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and addiction to substances or behaviors can significantly impair both physical and mental health. Smoking, for example, increases the risk of heart disease, lung disease, and cancer. Excessive alcohol use can damage the liver, brain, and overall well-being. Addictions create a dependency that negatively impacts daily life. Breaking these habits is tough, but the rewards are immense. It can boost your energy, improve your mood, strengthen relationships, and increase self-confidence. If you're struggling, don't hesitate to reach out to healthcare professionals or support groups. They can provide guidance, support, and resources to help you kick these habits to the curb for good. Number 9. Daily hygiene, daily health. Simple daily hygiene practices, like regular hand washing, dental care, and showering may seem like small routines, but they're cornerstones of good health. Hand washing, for instance, prevents the spread of germs, reducing the risk of infections. Dental care keeps teeth and gums healthy, preventing cavities and gum disease. Showering not only helps maintain cleanliness, but also boosts our mood and general well-being. These daily habits are shields that protect us against minor health issues, saving us from bigger problems down the road. Make them a part of your daily routine and watch them pay off in dividends for your health and well-being. Number 10. Prevention is key. Get those checkups. Prevention is the cornerstone of good health. Regular checkups and screenings are essential for catching potential health issues early when they are often easier to treat. For instance, routine dental checkups and eye exams can spot problems like cavities or vision changes early on, while regular blood pressure and cholesterol checks can hint at potential heart issues. Early detection is key in managing and treating many health conditions effectively, so schedule those doctor's appointments. Keep those screenings on your calendar and make your health a priority. It's an investment that pays off in the long run. And there you have it, 10 tips to pave the way for a healthier and happier you. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about incorporating these tips into your life in a way that suits you best. Every small step counts. So whether it's adding more fruits to your diet, staying hydrated, or scheduling that yearly physical, know that you're making an investment in your well-being. Prioritizing your health isn't a short-term fix. It's a lifelong commitment to living your best life. And as you work towards a healthier you, remember to celebrate every win along the way. Because every step you take, no matter how small, is a testament to your dedication to a better, healthier future. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. After all, good health is something we all strive for, and sharing these tips can make a difference in someone else's life. Thanks for joining me on this journey to better health. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy,